How to show or hide the lock screen notification widget on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on a blank spot, touch and hold. Next, tap on wallpaper and style. Now from here, tap on the left hand side panel, that is the lock screen panel. Then tap on the small notification widget. From the pop-up, if you want to hide that widget, tap on none and that will hide the widget. Now tap on done. Now another way for you to turn off notification on the lock screen is to go to your settings. So in settings, you go down and tap on notifications. Then tap on lock screen notifications, and from here you can also switch it off. This will totally turn off lock screen notifications. So if I go back in here and go to wallpaper and style, then lock screen, and in here you can tap on add notifications, and here we can choose icon only or details to turn it back on. And that's it. Then tap on done, and finally tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.